There is a creature alive today who has survived millions of years of evolution without change, without passion, and without logic.
Really?
Are you trying to get everyone sick? Did you know a sneeze can produce 40,000 viruses? And it could stay airborne for thousands and thousands of hours? And it's gross!
Huh.
Step 1. When you sneeze, use a tissue. Step 2. When you're finished, throw it away in the trash. And step 3. If you don't have a tissue, use your arm. Let's try this again.